It's about survival now. Okay, this is gonna suck. I was hoping I was gonna be able to run like right next to the water, but there's like a ton of people fishing and I want to get like close on it. I'm gonna start now. Gotta wait for my GPS to connect. Pretty cool. Hey boy. Having to go around so many fishers really sucks. My hopes are high though. I'm gonna make it. Got a pier in sight. That's good. Fun stuff. That was the highlight of my day. I just got chased by a dog and had to go into the water. So I didn't get like eaten or something. I'm wet to like knees down. It's not gonna be a fun time, but I'm kind of like setting into my pace like 740, which is really not good. But on the beach, whatever. Just hit 3 miles. Probably the best I've felt all run. Not as wet now. And feeling good, other than like my calves are hurting a little bit, but I fully expected that. Just hit 4 and I feel terrible. My finger kind of hurts. I think I might have got like a boo-boo or something. It's about survival now. I don't know how much more my body can take physically or mentally, but I gotta get home to my family, so yeah. I'll see you guys later. All right, feeling pretty good. Just completed my first mission. Some lady asked me to go tell another guy like half a mile down the beach, get her pliers. So that was pretty fun, and I can't really think right now. My quads burned, my calves hurt, my tummy hurts, but I'm at 4.5 right now. Yeah, not too good. Got 2 more to go. I can feel the blisters on like every single one of my toes. I've had to go around like 20 more fishers. Other than that, it's been okay. Hurts more than my usual runs, but oh my gosh. But sometimes you need that. It's dangerous out here. Look at those weight drops. Things is killers. Just hit 6 miles. Pace dropped substantially. Light detour. Oh my gosh. Alright, just hit 7 miles. It should be right up here. I'm literally going nowhere. Nope. Dead fish by the side of the road. It's the Grinch. Snow globe. That's the ugliest dolphin I've ever seen. Guys, it's snowing. It's snowing. Is it just me or is this parade 5? The only thing cooler than those carts is the seats. Thank you. Oh, my favorite. Gonna hang my hat for today. Lovely sunset. Just took some pictures. I'll show them on the screen now. Leaving the beach. It was fun and also not fun. The sand is kind of terrible. I don't like the sand. It's coarse and it gets everywhere. Hopefully the pictures are good.